And this can't be broken apart, but we still need to include it in our answer. So remember, we are trying to factor completely. Okay? Yes?
You just have to memorize the cube roots.
Pretty much. Are these perfect cubes? No. Are they perfect squares?
No.
No. It's not prime. Here was our final answer on the last one. Okay, we got this 4, and then we noticed that this is the difference of perfect squares. And the difference of perfect squares can be factored even further. So we're going to keep factoring as long as we can. On this problem, they're not perfect squares, they're not perfect cubes. Y'all keep forgetting about the easiest thing out there. Do you see something that they have in common? They have a 5 in common. And if you factor the 5 out, now do you have perfect cubes? Yes. So now you need to take x cubed plus 8 and factor that down. And I'm going to let you do that on your own.
Oh, where you get the 8 from? Oh, never mind.
Factor the 5 out.
Every number has to have a perfect cube.
Excuse me?
Every number has to be a perfect cube.
Yes. Inside the parentheses. Yes. Y'all done fast. Good. Hurley, what you doing?
I was erasing my calculator. But you.
So you worked this problem already?
What do you do?
So you can come working on the board then.
Yeah.
Why not? But did you work it? You're supposed to be working it in my head. Whatever.
You do x plus 2 3 times?
No. Nick, where you been this whole hour?
I don't get it. No, I don't think.
Okay, 5 is a piece of the puzzle. So just bring down your 5 so you don't forget about it. All right. Come on, Nick.
Yeah, but x plus 2 is the square cube root of x cubed plus
Slow down.
What?
What's the cubed root of x cubed? X. What's the cubed root of 8?
2.
2. You can't just cube x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2. That's not the same thing. Okay, that's going to give you a whole bunch of crazy stuff. Square, multiply, square. Square the x. Multiply 2 times x. Square the 2. The trinomial will not be able to go any further. But double check this just to make sure you're done. And you are. But remember, this 5 was also part of our puzzle. So it has to be included in the answer. Because the goal is that we should be able to put all this back together and end up with this. Square, multiply, square. Find those cubed roots and then square, multiply, square. All right, let's do the signs. Whatever plus whatever. Pretend they're perfect cubes in there. What are the signs going to be?
Minus.
Cube minus cube. What are the signs going to be?
Minus.
All right, now you work this out. Whoa. What happened? Hold on.
find out the square root of something, just by looking at it.
Well, we're looking for cube roots. You gotta memorize them.
You didn't give us one.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, that was
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, 1,000. Sorry.
Good job.
My bad. Sorry. Who took my marker?
What's going on? Big marker.
Nick, why don't you put my marker in the drawer with spoons?
What?
Oh, man.
You're gonna need to watch this lesson online.
Dude, this is. It's hard.
No,
It's funny.
Okay, who wants to come up here and do the first one? Don't all volunteer at once. We're gonna have a stampede. No.
Is it X?
I don't have the 27.
Okay, Blake second one, Annalise the first one. Let's go. Y'all got to learn your cubes. Those ones I put on that very first slide, memorize those. I don't know why it's not working. Just, there you go. Fix it. I think I'm getting air bubbles. That is correct. Good job. Good job. The cubed root of 27 is 3. Cubed root of x cubed is x. Cubed root of 1,000 is 10. All right, then we go and we square the first term, multiply the two terms together, then square the last term. And we already figured out our signs. So when you're doing your squaring, multiplying, and squaring, the signs don't matter anymore because you've already put what signs belong there. Okay, Blake. You can do it. Yeah, you can. I have faith in you. Oh, come on.
I got the first one. I didn't get the second.
What do you think it is? Whisper. You got to divide 6 by 3.
I think I got it.
2x squared. Yeah. Just keep going. There you go. Scoot over.
Yeah, I guess it's like.
I know. You got to do like straight on, not slanty. Good. Good.
Yeah, I got it.
Cubed root of 8 is 2. Cubed root of an exponent means you divide it by 3. So it's x squared. Cubed root of 125 was 5. Square. Woo. Multiply. Square. Okay, listen.